Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all doing well. So you have seen life cycle of flowering plants. So our today's topic is fertilizers. Do you know what this man is doing here? He's putting some granular structure on the plant, a small seedling plant. So these small granular structures are fertilizers. In the same way, the human need to eat properly to stay healthy, so plants need certain nutrients to grow properly. Fertilizer is a substance that is added to soil to improve plants' growth and yield. Basically, it is chemical or natural substance that is added to soil or land to increase its fertility. So how do we define fertilizer? A fertilizer is any material of natural or synthetic origin that is applied to soil. What do these fertilizers do? With the fertilizers, we can improve the characteristics of the land. They make the transport of the nutrients from the ground to the plants easier. So we will have more vegetables and they will have a better quality. So there are two types of fertilizers, artificial and natural. Artificial are man-made chemicals, natural are found in environment. Okay, if we look at in detail in these fertilizers, there are many natural substances like leaves, cow dung, bone meal, compost, etc. are used to make the deficiency of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium in soils. These substances are known as natural fertilizers. Since the demand for fertilizers cannot be met by natural fertilizers alone, many compounds are manufactured to provide nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus to plants. Okay, if you compare between natural and chemical fertilizers, there are some benefits and there are some disadvantages of it. Natural fertilizers you can see here, and the chemical fertilizers as well, they are being compared together. Their natural fertilizers are less soluble in water, so it makes them difficult to be absorbed. Chemical fertilizers are readily soluble in water. Okay. In simple words, if we see the advantages of fertilizer, help farmer to get a better yield of crops. Disadvantages of fertilizer, source of water pollution, make the soil less fertile, and also artificial fertilizers often cause diseases. So these are some disadvantages of fertilizers. But the only advantage it has is that it helps the farmer to get better crops, better vegetables. Whatever he's producing, the farmer, it gets better. So your written task for today is just to answer two questions on an A4 sheet. Number one is, why are fertilizers important for plant growth? Number two, state any three differences between natural and artificial fertilizers. So it's a very simple topic. People can easily answer these questions, right? And then turn in your assignments. I would be waiting for your response. And I hope you have understood the difference between the natural and artificial fertilizer. So thank you, and I hope I would see a good response from all of you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.